All right, this unit we're going to look at quadratic functions. So here's the parent function f of x equals x squared, and we have a parabola. And so our targets for today is I can determine the vertex, identify if it has an absolute max or an absolute min. So I'm hoping you have a lot of prior knowledge there. This should be a quick one for us. I can identify axis of symmetry from a graph and write its equation. Again, very similar to what we were just working on. I can determine if a parabola opens up or opens down, given its graph, or the quadratic equation. Again, lots of similarities to what we just did with absolute value functions. I can find the x and y intercepts given a parabola graph. From your IM1 days, we should be able to do that, as well as what we just did in the last module. And then I can identify the zeros or roots from the graph of a parabola. So some new vocabulary terms we're going to learn here. And then I can determine the domain and range for the parabola. Again, from your IM1 days, we'll be talking about domain and range. And then I can identify the interval of decrease and increase. Actually, I'm not sure we did this in IM1. I think this is actually new for you for today. So that's our targets. My first question for you is, and I probably just told you some of it, but I want you to kind of compare and contrast the parent function and its graph for the quadratic and the absolute value functions. So how are they similar? How are they different?